told you about the gathering. Just take him to his car and go and interview him. Not here.
So he cannot be spoken to here.
No, we don't like the gathering. Are you interviewing this man?
You don't like that. You don't like gathering as well. Yeah, what are you here to do?
I'm here to express my solidarity as a member of the music community.
Why didn't you join yesterday?
I wasn't around yesterday. It was a very heavy day for me yesterday. But
what are they telling you?
Better late than never.
What are they telling you now that you're here? They're telling you.
They are telling us that they don't allow us. They don't want to allow us to gather here. They want us to go outside of the perimeter of the gathering ground to conduct interviews. But we have a right to gather. We have a right to voice our concerns. So that's what I'm here to do, basically. I'm of the view. I've been of the view for the longest time that the Ghanaian is not absolutely free. We are fed up. We are tired of all these things that are going on in our economy. The government, the mismanagement, funds are just being mismanaged anyhow. So I'm here just to voice my concern and to show my solidarity and to stand with my brothers and sisters. I'm here a little early. But I'm hoping that more people come together around instead of us staying on social media, online, in our rooms. Let us gather in our numbers to make sure that something really happens.
You have supporters joining you?
I hope so. I've made a few, contacts with my friends and my small community, so I hope that will be joining me soon. But I happen to live very close by here, so I thought it would be a good thing just to trek over here and then try and, see what we can do to make sure that this demonstration, this gathering is actually impactful in the long run. Yeah.